Welcome to Varun Techie channel. Today we will discuss Natural Language Processing Session 5. We'll see the demo. First you import RE. After importing RE, we'll write the codes. Txt equal to in double quotations we are writing hello world. After that x equal to re dot find all of in double quotations he dot o in double quotations comma txt. If two dots are there, after he two characters will be there, and after two characters o is there. If this match is there, it will print that match. This is the regular expression he dot o. Here hello is in the pattern. So hello is printed. After that we are writing txt equal to in double quotations he for else o world. After that we are writing re dot find all of in double quotations we are writing he four dots o. Four dots means four characters. After he some four characters and it is ending with o, so there is a match HA for else O it will be printed. Next we will see another example txt equal to double quotations pain comma chain comma drain comma cane comma train. After that we are writing x equal to re dot find all of in double quotations we are writing aix star in double quotations comma txt means wherever ai is there it will print, and any here we can get zero or more occurrence. In the same way, we are writing AI plus in the next example. Here it is for one or more occurrence. AI X star is for zero or more occurrence. AI plus is for one or more occurrence. It is printing all the AIs. Like we know about star and plus in the regular expressions in formal languages and automata theory. In the same way, we'll check here as well. TXT equal to in double quotations rainfall was once high in Tanjavur. In RE dot find all of in the double quotations we are writing the regular expression AL in the flower braces we are writing 2. So means first A will be there, after that 2 else. If it is present, yes there is a match and we will print that ALL all. Okay. For the same txt, we are writing re dot find all of in double quotations false or high, comma txt. This is either or. If false is there, it will find a match and it will print. If high is there, it will print. So in the given txt, false is not there, only fall is there, so it will not be printed. High is there, high will be printed. For the same txt, we are writing in double quotations A or N. Wherever A is there, wherever R is there, wherever N is there, it will give all the things as a list. After that, we are writing in double quotations from A to N. That A dash N in square braces in the double quotations. We will print everything from A to N in the given txt. Okay, thank you.